Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tirta Wijaya. Today we will talk about menstrual cup, which is a more practical, cheaper, and eco-friendly alternative to sanitary pad and tampon for collecting period blood. Many people choose to use menstrual cup because they are budget friendly. We only need to buy once and reuse it over and over again for months, even years. So menstrual cup is cheaper in the long run. Number 2, menstrual cups are safer. Because menstrual cup collect rather than absorb blood, we are not at risk of developing toxic shock syndrome, which is a rare bacterial infection associated with tampon use. Just make sure you choose the cup made of medical grade material and clean it properly. Number 3, menstrual cups holds more blood compared to sanitary pads and tampons, making it very practical as you do not have to empty it as often as changing pads or tampons. And again, they are eco-friendly. Reusable menstrual cups can last a long time, so we are not contributing more waste to the environment. Number 5, they are more comfortable and offer more freedom to do various activities compared to sanitary pads. If you insert it correctly, it will create a sealed barrier that prevents leakage even when you swim. You can wear a cup with an IUD. Some companies claim that a menstrual cup could dislodge an IUD, but some studies debunk that belief. If you are concerned though, check with your doctor about using a menstrual cup. Menstrual cups may be an affordable and eco-friendly option, but you still need to keep a few things in mind. Number 1, they are quite pricey. The cheap ones are made of stiff plastic and not comfortable to use. You should avoid those. Choose the ones made of medical grade silicone or latex instead. These are more expensive than pads or tampons, of course, and may be prohibitive for some, but remember that they can be reused many times, so the price per use will be much cheaper in the long run. Number 2, cup removal can be messy for beginners. It is advisable to start wearing a menstrual cup when you have access to a private bathroom so you can easily clean yourself if you accidentally make a mess. Number 3, they can be tough to insert or remove. You may find that you are not getting the right fold when you put in your menstrual cup. Or you may have difficulties pinching the base to pull the cup down and out. Follow the steps I will describe later in this video to make this process easier for you. Number 4, it can be hard to find the right fit. Menstrual cups are not one size fits all, so you may have to try out a few brands before finding the perfect one for you and your vagina. This is the sample of the one that does not fit. Number 5, you may be allergic to the material. In this case, you need to choose the cup that is not made with materials triggering your allergy. And it may also cause vaginal irritation if the cup isn't clean and cared for properly. Wearing a menstrual cup for the first time may feel uncomfortable without lubricants, but it is quite rare actually because menstruating vaginas are naturally lubricated by menstrual secretion. Although you can buy a cup online, I suggest you to buy the menstrual cup in a brick and mortar shop for the first time so you can see and touch and feel the product to help you find the one that is most suitable for you. Before buying, first you have to find out what size you need. Most brands sell small and large versions. To figure out the right menstrual cup size for you, it is important to consider your age, the length of your cervix, your menstrual flow, whether it is heavy or not, and flexibility of the cup, then your anatomical consideration, and your allergy history. Smaller menstrual cups are usually recommended for people younger than 30 years old who haven't delivered vaginally. Larger sizes are often recommended for those who are over 30 years old, have given birth vaginally, or have heavier periods. In case you are unsure, get the smaller one as it is easier to insert and more comfortable, offering a better first-time experience. You can always upsize the cup later on once you are used to it. Generally speaking, I prefer cups made of silicone over latex. Even though the latex cups are relatively more comfortable, they are trickier to clean, faster to break down, and may trigger allergic reactions in some people. But if you find that latex menstrual cup ticks all your check boxes, you do you. Using a menstrual cup for the first time may be uncomfortable. So here I will share some tips to make the process nicer and easier for you. If you are a menstrual cup user, kindly share your own tips in the comment below so we all can learn from your experience. Before using a menstrual cup, first, you need to sterilize your cup according to the product instructions. If there is no instruction, most cups can be sterilized by submerging them in boiling water for at least 5 minutes. Do not soak in boiled water. Do not partially boil the cup. Do not use it without sterilizing it properly. You can also use a sterilizing solution if you do not like to boil your cup. You should find it quite easy to insert a menstrual cup. Just follow this step. First, you need to wash your hand thoroughly with soap and water. Second, wet the rim of the cup with a water-based lubricant to make it easier to insert. If you do not have any lubricant, use water instead. But if you are living in areas with questionable tap water quality, use drinking water. Number 3, fold the menstrual cup in half like this, then roll it tightly, holding it in your dominant hand with the rim facing up. Alternatively, you can press one side of the cup, the part with the small holes near the rim. You just press it one side like this. Insert the cup rim up into your vagina like you would a tampon without an applicator. It should sit few inches below your cervix, like this. Imagine this is your vagina. You insert it like this. You can do it while you are sitting on the toilet seat, but many people find it easier to be done in the standing position with one leg propped 90 degrees at the hip like this. Once the cup is in your vagina, rotate the stick a bit so it will spring open to create an airtight seal that stops leaks. Make sure the tip of the stem is not protruding out of your vagina, otherwise it will feel uncomfortable. Gently push the stem up if you feel it poking out of your vagina. If you have inserted the cup correctly, you shouldn't feel your menstrual cup. You should also be able to move, jump, sit, stand, and do other activities without your cup falling out. You can even swim while you are on it. But keep it until you are comfortable enough. So let's take it slowly and easy for your first time. If you have trouble putting in your cup, please consult a doctor. You can wear a menstrual cup for up to 12 hours, depending on how heavy your menstrual flow. This means you can use a cup for overnight protection. But you should always remove your menstrual cup by the 12 hours mark. If it is become full before then, you'll have to empty it ahead of schedule to avoid leaks. To take out a menstrual cup, follow these steps. First, again, you need to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Number 2, place your index finger and thumb into your vagina. Find the stem of the cup and follow it until you can find the base. You can do this while sitting down on a toilet seat, but many people find it easier in squatting position. Number 3, pinch the base of the cup to release the seal. Then pull down to remove the cup. Do not, never ever pull the cup without releasing the seal. It will hurt you. So release the seal first, then pull. Once it is out, empty the cup into toilet bowl. Reusable menstrual cups should be washed and wiped clean before being reinserted into your vagina. Again, if you are in areas with questionable tap water quality, use drinking water instead. At the end of your period, deep clean your menstrual cup by washing it thoroughly with soap and water. Use soft brush to carefully clean the surfaces and holes from dried blood and debris. Sanitize your cup by boiling it for at least 5 minutes or use a suitable sanitizer. Dry it, then keep it in a closed container, ready for next use. That is my sharing about menstrual cups today. I hope you'll find this information useful. If this content is beneficial for you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel so you can continue to get similar contents in the future. If you have any question, just type in the comment section below and we will discuss it in another time. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.